DIY customer should shop at Walker Auto Parts because we do have the strongest counter knowledge in the area in our trade markets. We pride ourselves on having the strongest counter employees compared to our competitors. Our employees have been with us for a long time. They know a lot about what they're doing. They know about your car. They know about how to help you with your car. Whether you're working on your 67 Corvette at home that's got a Holley carburetor that you can't find the parts for, we've got them in stock. You're working on a tractor up at the farm and you got to put a fuel bowl on it, we've got that in stock. If you've got a boat down at the coast and you need a sump pump for it, we've got it in stock. We design our storefronts to have the tools you need to put on the parts that you buy. I'm confident that we have the products you need in stock for our heavy DIY customers. So NAPA Rewards, every $100 that you spend with us, you get $5 back. There's no cards involved. All you do is give the counter guy your phone number when you walk in the door, and it automatically tracks it for you. So there's no cards to deal with. There's nothing. We're not going to call you. We're not going to email you. If you go online and set it up, you do get an extra $20 incentive. It's just a good way to help us help you and get rewards back for your purchases with Walker Auto. We have different promotions that go along throughout the year. We've got different holiday promotions. Every month we're going to have an oil change promotion for you. At Walker Auto, we're confident that we have the best counter people in the industry. If you're looking for those hard to find items, Walker has you covered.